marker mistake. So with the next question, it says determine the equation of AB and CD. So the issue with AB and CD is that they're just straight lines. Now the equations of just straight lines, oh okay, let me not say straight lines. The issue with these, okay, not the issue. The one thing with these specific lines is that they're parallel to the axes, meaning their equations are quite simple. All we need to look at is the points where they cut the axis. You see, so CD cuts the y-axis here. AB cuts the x-axis over there. So what can we do to get the equations of AB and CD? Keeping in mind that we have just gotten the center of M in the previous question, -3 and 4. -3, 4. We have M. This is a 90-degree angle. What can we do to get what you may call the equation of CD and AB? Keeping in mind also that you see here, this has told us that our radius is a 5. So we have quite a lot of information. What do you think we can do to get the gradient of, the equation of CD and AB? Just think of how sometimes when you have asymptotes, the equations of asymptotes, they're usually just like y is equal to something or x is equal to something. The equations of these lines have the same idea.
So can't you say x equals 0 and y equals 0?
Oh no, unfortunately. What I'm trying to say is, do you see that with CD? This is CD, right?
Yeah.
And CD is a horizontal line.
Yeah.
Now, this CD passes a specific x value. A specific y value. Whatever this y value is, it's gonna give you the equation of CD, because the equation of CD is just y is equal to whatever that y value is that it cuts there. It's almost like, let me put it this way: if you had a Cartesian plane, right, and you had, let's say, an asymptote here where this was -2, and then you had an asymptote here where this was like a 4. The equation of the one up here is just y is equal to 4, because it's a horizontal line that cuts the y-axis at 4. For the other one, its equation is literally just going to be x is equal to -2, because it's a vertical line that cuts the x-axis at -2. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for this picture, if you look at the line CD and AB, it's the same idea. For CD, we need to find what this x value is. For AB, we need to find what this y value is. For AB, we need to find what that x value is. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, because we have M, how do you think, what can we do to get the y value down here? We have M and the radius as well. So what can we do to get the y value down there? Remember, the radius is 5.
Yeah, I want to say an equation, but I don't know. Would it be Pythagoras? Would it be the gradient one, like y mx plus c?
No, I get you. I get you. So the fortunate thing is, you just want to make use of how this image is. You see, from the center directly to the right side here, this is going to be a distance of 5, because the radius is 5. From the center going directly down, the distance is going to be a 5. You see, because remember, if your tangent is parallel to the x-axis, it means that it's a straight line. You see, it's a straight line that touches the center right at the center here, where it's in line with the center. If this line is parallel to the y-axis, it means that it's going to touch the circle at this specific point here, where it's aligned with your center. That's what's important about analytical geometry. You see, you need to be able to use your image to have information. So you know the distance here is 5. If the
Yeah.
x, if the y value here is like a 4, you see here, this is saying the y value is like a 4. So if the y value up here is a 4, down here is 5 units down. So from 4, if you go 5 units down, you're gonna end up at -1. See, so we know that the y value here is a -1. Do you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. So the equation here is just y is equal to -1. So what is going to be the equation of AB if we use the same idea?
So now
Wait, but
you
wait, hold on. This doesn't make sense though. Uh-oh. Yeah. Do you see it?
what?
Oh, there is the mistake. Let me just change this. Zoop. -6. This would be like a -3. This would be like a -3. And this would be like a +3. Because we can't, I mean, it's on the positive side. And it's like, oh my goodness, it's been there the whole time. Yes, like. But anyways, it's fine now. So what can we do to get AB?
So you did let me check something. Can't it be something with a 3?
Definitely, because the x value here is a 3. And this is just
Yeah.
5 units, right?
5 plus 3, 8.
Yeah, because remember, because it's like from the x-axis, it's like 3 units and then 5 units. So the equation here, the x value here is just 8. You see, because from here 3 and then 5. So the equation here is just x is equal to 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is that. That is that. That's gonna be the equations of these two lines. Now
Yeah.
the crazy thing is how, yeah. I think maybe I was just moving too fast. Moving way too
Yeah.
fast. Yeah. But anyways, let's see. Let's just stop this one and do the other ones. Do this.